In this video, we're going to show you how to use your medical dictionary. It helps Velastria hear your medical words correctly. You have a medical dictionary so that when you or your patient say common medical words that you might often use, you can be sure the speech-to-text knows to consider those particular words. Let's set yours up. Starting from your home page, hover over Setup in the top navigation. At the bottom of the menu, click All Settings to open Setup Central, the home for everything you can configure. Under AI and Automation, click Medical Dictionary. Here it is. It already comes with a list of common medical words built in, one on each line. To add your own, just type them on a new line. A drug you prescribe a lot, a procedure you do often, or your surgeon's names. There's no need to add ordinary everyday words. Keep it to the names and specialist terms the system might otherwise get wrong. When you're happy, click Save. From then on, those words help every transcription Velastria does for you. Your clinic letters, your consultation notes, and your dictation. A couple of things help the dictionary do its best work. The clearer the speech, the better. And the more you use a microphone to pick up what your patient is saying, the more accurate the transcription will be. And if you and your patient happen to talk at the same time, the transcription doesn't work quite as well. But don't worry, Velastria knows to try its best to make sense of it anyway. That's your medical dictionary. Setup, then All Settings, then Medical Dictionary. Add the drug names, procedures, and people's names you use most, one per line, and click Save. Speak clearly, use a microphone where you can, and Velastria will do the rest.